Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle, a beginner's guide. In recent years, there has been a significant rise in the number of people adopting a vegan lifestyle. The decision to go vegan is often driven by ethical, environmental, or health concerns. However, transitioning to a vegan lifestyle can seem overwhelming for beginners. This video provides a comprehensive guide for those interested in making such a transition. First and foremost, it is crucial to understand what being vegan entails. Vegans abstain from consuming any animal-derived products, including meat, fish, dairy, and eggs. Instead, they rely on plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and nuts. It is essential to do proper research on vegan nutrition to ensure that you are getting all the necessary nutrients. This will help dispel the misconception that a vegan diet is nutritionally deficient. One approach to transitioning to a vegan lifestyle is to start gradually. Instead of diving headfirst into a complete diet overhaul, you can begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your routine. This method allows you to explore new recipes and slowly adapt your taste buds to plant-based foods. Experimenting with various vegetables, grains, and legumes can make the transition more exciting and enjoyable. Education is a vital aspect of transitioning to a vegan lifestyle. Stay abreast of the latest research on vegan nutrition, animal rights, and environmental impact. Numerous documentaries, books, and online resources can provide valuable information. These resources will help you better understand why people choose to embrace veganism and will keep you motivated to continue on your journey. Building a support system during this transition can be incredibly beneficial. Join vegan communities, either online or in person, where you can find like-minded individuals who can offer guidance and support. These communities can provide tips, share recipes, and help you navigate through challenges you may encounter as a beginner. Conducting thorough label reading and ingredient research is crucial in maintaining a vegan lifestyle. Many products surprisingly contain animal-derived ingredients. Familiarize yourself with common animal ingredients and learn how to spot them on labels, such as whey, gelatin, and casein. Additionally, try to consume whole foods over processed ones to ensure there are no hidden animal-derived ingredients. It is also important to be kind to yourself throughout this transition. Remember that becoming a vegan is a journey and not a destination. Accept that there will be slip-ups and mistakes along the way. Instead of dwelling on them, celebrate your progress and focus on the positive changes you are making in your life and for the planet. Finally, explore vegan alternatives to your favorite non-vegan foods. With the rise in veganism, there are now numerous plant-based options available for almost every product you can think of, from meat substitutes to dairy-free alternatives. Incorporating these replacements into your meals can make the transition smoother and more enjoyable. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle may seem daunting at first, but with the right approach and mindset, it can be a rewarding and transformative experience. By gradually incorporating more plant-based meals, educating yourself, building a support system, reading labels, being kind to yourself, and exploring alternatives, you can successfully make the transition and embrace a healthier and more compassionate way of living. I hope this information on transitioning to a vegan lifestyle was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. And for more topics and tips on veganism, vegan recipes, vegan smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let us make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life.